What's up YouTube, it's Little T Techaholics, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to play Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies on your Android device. So let's get it in. Alright, so as always, links will be in the description. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to download the application and how to run it, install it, and all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to go to the link right now. Just go to website, go to download, go to rec download, go to OK, and let it download. Also, whenever it gets done downloading, you want to have either ES File Explorer or some type of file explorer downloaded on your phone. If you already know from my previous videos, I actually like ES File Explorer a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and use that one in this video. So what you want to do is you want to open up the application, go to the three dashes, go to download. You'll see it's right here. So you just click on it, go to install, and this may ask you to enable it to be installed from this application. So in this case, I'm just going to go to settings, go to OK, or allow it, then go to install. Alright, so whenever it gets finished installing, you want to go ahead and go to open. It may say this restoring saved and whatnot. I couldn't catch that where it said, you know, the lettering that was at the beginning. I couldn't catch that, but all that's doing is just telling you that it's going to download what you need, and you just have to accept it. Alright, so whenever it gets done downloading, it's going to go ahead and it's going to do this, and then it's going to ask you to download and install Play Games or Google Play Games. So you want to go ahead and you want to install it, because if you don't install it, this actually won't run. So just go to install. You want to go ahead and you want to go back into the application. Whoop. Now you'll see that it'll ask you to install Play Games again, and if you keep on doing this, it'll continue to ask you. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to close out. You want to find the file again. Alright, there it is. Whenever you open it, I'll turn this down. I don't want it to be too loud. You'll see that it'll allow you to play it. It'll say this right here, but you just go to OK. Whatever, that's nothing important. There you go. So another thing to note too is that whenever the Play Games does pop up, you actually have to sign into an account. But other than that, I mean, it'll play smoothly. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and play it. But I'm just going to go ahead and switch it over to the full screen mode because my phone actually allows it. I don't know if other phones or devices will allow you to do this, but in this case, you can with this. Alright, so just go to OK. And you could play whatever you want to play. We'll just go to single player. I'll show you all that it's working. Go to new game. And I'll just go to this one right here. Go to continue, and there you go. You can actually play the Call of Duty Black Ops game on your phone. Unfortunately, this does not work with any controllers that I noticed, but other than that, I mean, you can play it for free, and it's a quick, easy download. It does all the work for you. You don't have to put in no data file, nothing like that. So that's really cool about this application. But anyways, if you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and leave a comment for me. I'm more than happy to get back with you. And as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.